Hello! In this short video, we'll take a look at some of the records preserved by the State Archives regarding the celebration of Juneteenth in North Carolina. Although Juneteenth began as a Texas holiday, the celebration has spread throughout the United States in the last 50 years. Juneteenth celebrates the anniversary of June 19, 1865, when Union General Gordon Granger arrived in Texas and issued General Order No. 3, informing the last enslaved Americans of their new freedom. The first official recognition of Juneteenth in North Carolina occurred when Joint Resolution No. 16 was passed in 1999 by the General Assembly. It commemorates and honors the memory of the hundreds of thousands of African Americans who were enslaved in this country. 8 years later, it was followed by a 2007 General Assembly bill recognizing the 19th of June as Juneteenth National Freedom Day. In addition to General Assembly records, the government records holdings at the State Archives include governor's papers. Among those are proclamations honoring Juneteenth, including one in 2010 from Governor Bev Perdue and another in 2013 from Governor Pat McCrory. These records are available to view online through the North Carolina Digital Collections. You can also explore the last 20 or so years of Juneteenth celebrations in North Carolina by browsing the Web Archives. The North Carolina Web Archive, maintained by the State Archives and State Library, collects, preserves, and provides open access to state government websites and social media. Some examples of Juneteenth celebrations preserved in the Web Archive include blogs and press releases related to Governor's Juneteenth proclamations, descriptions of celebrations at historic sites such as Historic Stagville, and information surrounding the 2014 statewide tour of North Carolina's copy of the 13th Amendment, which abolished slavery. These are just a few of the examples recorded in the Web and Social Media Archive of historic sites, museums, and archives participating in events to celebrate and honor Juneteenth. Once again, Governor Cooper has proclaimed June 19, 2021 as Juneteenth Day in North Carolina, encouraging people to observe Juneteenth as an opportunity to reflect, rejoice, and plan for a brighter future as we continue to address racial injustices in our society today. How will you be celebrating Juneteenth this year? Consider documenting your celebrations or digging up past records of personal or local Juneteenth celebrations and donating them to the State Archives for preservation. After all, your story is North Carolina's story, and we want to hear your voice.